What's the deal, YouTube? It's A-Bush360 back at it again with another lit video, man. What's going on with everybody? How's y'all doing today? How's y'all day going today? I'm super excited. Y'all want to know why? Y'all really want to know why? Y'all know if y'all been watching me and y'all been watching my videos, I did a strawberry banana method, which I was inspired by Sir Cruse. I was inspired by Sir Cruse. I seen him do it. I researched it. I'm like, let me check this out. What putting strawberries and bananas in my hair and oils, let me research this. Let me see if this is healthy for my hair. Because I don't want to put nothing in my hair that's going to make my hair fall out. So I did my research, you know, and it said it's healthy. It did. So what I do, I did it, and it was the best method, the best crazy method. Like crazy method, like putting food or fruits in my hair. That was a crazy method I ever seen and I ever did. But it turned out to be good, and it actually gave my hair that good shine and actually made my hair healthy. And then I seen the banana method. I'm sorry about that. I seen the banana method, and I'm all like, I have to try that. Not saying my hair is not healthy, but it's always room for improvement. You always want to have your hair a little more better, and just you want it the best of the best. I want to see how far I want to see how far I could take my hair, how healthy I could take it, what's the highest. See if it's a limit or not. What's the best I could take my waves? You feel me? Sky is the limit. So I want to keep going. So with that being said, today's video is going to be about the banana 360 method, or should I say 360 banana method, or banana 360 method, or wave banana 360 method. However you want to put it, however I want to put it. The title's going to be there. You're going to see what I named it. I'm not sure yet. But hey, it's going to be a crazy lit video. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step. I'm not just going to have everything made. I have the banana right here. I have to hurry up and use it before it goes bad. I have my blender right here. I have my little blender, home size little blender. That's just strictly for YouTube and my waves, strictly. That's how you know I put a lot of money and I invest in quality and I do a lot for you guys. I have my oil right here and I have my brush right here. Let me go get my mirror. Whew, I have my mirror right here. So let's get into it. I'm gonna come out the rag so you guys can see what I'm working with. See what I'm working with. See what I'm working with. I'm fresh up out the rag. I need to get the comb. Let me fix that side right now on camera for you guys. Because it's like, every time I hit it, then I put the do-rag on, it like, somehow like it keeps going back up. See that? When I hit it, it goes away. Yeah, I'm just showing you guys my waves real quick. I'll fix that in a little bit. I'll fix it in a little bit. You see the waves? Just wanted to show you guys the waves real quick. Alright, with that being said, come out the wave cap if you guys have the wave cap on. Come out the wave cap. Brush the sides real quick. Just to touch it up. Touch the lineup up. The taper is still fresh. Don't get it twisted. The taper is still fresh. The waves are still in there. I'm still dipping. Alright, with that being said, let's open the banana up. I'm doing everything step by step on video for you guys. That's how much I care about you guys, and that's how much I want you guys' waves to improve. That's how much I want my waves to improve. Because I'm going to go back and watch this video and watch myself do it again and again. And shout out to Sir Cruse, man. Shout out to Sir Cruse for just putting this idea in my head and just helping you guys out. So it's like he planted the egg and I cracked it, and I'm going to bust it open for everybody. Well, majority of the people that I have that watch me and follow me and that actually have their post notifications on. That's all love. I have a giveaway coming up, so make sure you stay updated and watch every video and just follow every step, because I'm going to be giving away something big, something real big. Okay, but let's open the banana up. All I had was one banana, so you don't really need two, but all I have is one, so I'm gonna put half in the blender. Put half in the blender. You guys can see. Put half in the blender. Then I'm gonna add some oil to it. Where's my oil? Oh, it's right here. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to it. You wanna open it up. Don't get oil everywhere. Woo! Stuff is healthy. Stuff is healthy. Putting some healthy fluids in my hair. Some healthy fluids. It's about that time. Watch how much of a difference my hair is gonna look. Got a little banana. Got a little bit of the smoothie in there. We're gonna add a little bit of water in here. A little bit of natural water. I'm gonna add a little bit of water in here. One moment. We added a little bit of water. I got the banana in here. You see the waves. The waves is in there. We're gonna blend them up real quick. We're gonna blend it up. We're gonna blend it up. We're gonna get it nice, and we're gonna get it started, and we're gonna have it nice and fresh. All right? Hit the sides real quick. Let me go get that. Sorry about that. I'm back. But yeah, grab your banana. And you want to make sure, I'm going to take a little bite of it because I am a little hungry. This is good for you. This is good for the body. This is also good for your hair. And this is good for everything. So, you can take a bite of it. Let me grab a little piece off. I'm going to show you guys I'm actually putting this in my hair. So that's the reason why I didn't blend everything. I'm actually going to put it in my hair. This is what I'm showing you guys. Actually putting it in my hair. Ooh, this feels good. Y'all don't know how good this feels. I'm actually putting bananas in my hair. And it's just going in real nice and soft. And it's already giving that shine. Oh yeah, let me tell you guys what's the good thing about putting bananas in your hair. It's real healthy for your hair. It's vitamins that you need in your hair that you're not really getting on an everyday, basically everyday basics. What else is good for your hair? It helps so your hair won't get like split ends, and it moisturizes it. It helps that it won't get like dandruff, and it gives it like a natural shine and a natural oil shine. It just helps a lot. Like banana has potassium in it. Potassium. I could barely say that word. Sorry. It has potassium in it, and that's also good for your hair too. Good vitamins. And if you think I'm lying, research it. If you think I'm lying, Google it. I wouldn't be lying to you guys. I would not be lying to you guys. Helps, gives it like a natural look, like a natural oily look, and it's healthy for you. So who wouldn't want to put bananas in their hair? Like, you'll think like, oh, that's dumb. I'm not putting no bananas in my hair. But what you really not knowing is that it's healthy for you. And if you have to Google it, do anything, go do it. And then come back and watch my video and do the method. Or go watch their Cruse video, or anybody video that done it, go back and watch their video. That feels good. Just putting that banana in my hair. It got my hair laid down. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. It has my hair laid down. My hair is very laid. Very laid. Okay. Let me show you guys. Before I put, I'm still adding more in. I'm just showing you guys real quick. I actually have bananas in my hair. And I'm not lying to you guys. This is not fake. I really have bananas in my hair. Okay, let me grab the blender. One moment. Oh, my hands are so slippery. There we go. I have it right here. It's blended up. If you watched the beginning of the video where I showed you I put half of the banana in here, the oils, and a little bit of water, it's time for me to pour it in my hair now. Let me put the top back on. So the top is gonna help. So everywhere won't pour all in my hair. It won't just spill all over my hair. And it smells real good. Whew. Oh my goodness. This feels wonderful. I promise you. This feels wonderful. Oh my goodness. If you think I'm lying to you, try this method. I told you, I am not lying to you. I will not be lying to you. I will not be lying to you. This feels wonderful. Whew. Oh my. It just feels so refreshing. It feels so good. So good. But one moment, let me take this thumbnail and I'm finna be back to continue this video. I love y'all, Boochie gang. What's the YouTube? I'm back. I'm sorry about that. I had to take the thumbnail. But look. Just look at my head. And they say this is healthy for you? Yes, it is. Go Google it. Go YouTube it. Go Yahoo it. Go do anything you possibly can do. Because what I'm doing to my hair is really healthy. Really healthy. You might say, oh, he looks dumb. He looks stupid doing that. He looks dumb. No, I'm not. Where's my banana smoothie? Oh my goodness. Helps with dandruff. It helps with all of that. If you did though, oh my goodness. It helps with all of that, yes. Yes, it does. But after that, you want to get like a good brush session. You want to brush it in. I'm not going to add too much because I already put a lot of bananas in my hair. So you want to get a good brush session in. Let me go find my brush. Where's my brush at? I'm sorry about that. I wasn't organized. Let me grab some napkins. Oh my goodness. Woo! And it's also healthy for your face, so if you get a little on your face, don't worry about it. You'll be alright. My hair already feels like real healthy. It feels real good. Like it doesn't feel like how I was feeling before I came out the rag. It feels real healthy. I feel good. It feels better. Whew. Whew. Yeah, that feels wonderful. That feels wonderful. Where's my brush at? Oh, here it goes. You just want to get a good. Make sure you brush it in. Ooh, look at that shine. Look at that shine. Oh my goodness. Look at, let me show you something. You guys see a difference now? Do you guys see a difference? I got the banana still in my hair. That's how you know. I'm not lying to you. This is a legit method. This is a legit method. Nothing fake. No fake pranks, nothing fake. Nothing fake. All legit. All legit. No fake pranks, nothing, no fake bananas. I really got bananas in my hair, and it feels wonderful. Hit that crown wipe real quick. My hair feels so soft. It feels silky, and it also makes your hair silky. So if you want your hair silky and real soft, and to you coarse hair wavers, I suggest that you guys do this. No offense. I suggest that everybody does this. If you want like just a difference, if you want to see it, because some coarse hair wavers have no hope. They think they waves can't go to another level, which I actually experienced and witnessed it could. So it's like, if you're really brushing and really putting that work in, imagine just doing this. It's not a cheat code, it's just a little boost. It's gonna get your hair healthy. It's not gonna get you waves, but it's gonna get that hair healthy for you to get waves. And once you get them waves, your waves gonna look healthy. So it's like, you're gonna win. And bananas are not expensive. The blender is not expensive. And it's not expensive. It's cool budget. It's cool budget. Like I said, I got a giveaway coming up. I'm giving away something big. Something over $200. So it's like, if you really want to win, make sure you got your post notifications on. Make sure you're active. Make sure you're commenting. I'm watching every YouTuber's name. I'm watching everything. So make sure you're active, you're commenting. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure your post notifications on. And make sure you're following my Instagram at abuchi360, which is the same as my YouTube name. You guys get active one time, man. Make sure you guys get active. How silky. Ooh, that feels wonderful. That feels wonderful. But I'm about to finish this brush session. I don't want this video too long. But with that being said, man, this is Bucci 360, man. I just did the banana method, and it turned out to be wonderful. One of the best methods I ever did. Once again, shout out to Sir Cruse for putting me on to this method, and I'm gonna be doing it more often. Probably like once, twice a month, strawberry method, just to keep my hair real healthy. You want to keep your hair healthy. What's the point of you doing all that brushing if your hair is not healthy? You get what I'm saying? So you want to make sure your hair is real healthy. Ooh, this feels good. My hair just feels fresh. You guys really have to try this. But with that being said, man, it's Bucci360. Make sure you get this video 100 thumbs up. I'm asking for 100 thumbs. If we get 100 thumbs, we in the game, man. We Bucci gang. 100 thumbs up, comment, subscribe. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell and turn that post notifications on so you can be the first one to see my video and be the first one to react to it, to let me know if it's a good video or a bad video. But alright, man, Bucci gang, I'm on a road to 10K subscribers, so if you're new, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Giveaway coming at 10K subscribers. Make sure you subscribe. I'm watching everything. But we out, gang.